get Mr. Squirrel. Come on, Gracie. Let's go get Mr. Squirrel. He's over there. Where's Mr. Squirrel? Yeah, there he goes. What are you doing? Where's Mr. Squirrel? Red! Here comes the Gracies! Come on, buddy! Nutterhead! What's that? Is that fun? Ready? Where's Gracie? Come on, Gracie, it's Smush! Let's go! There's a head.